All right, welcome back to pre-calculus. We are going to continue talking about inverse trig functions, and we'll see how far we can get with this. So it says use a calculator. And again, this is not a ratio that guys should be familiar with. Okay, this is not a known angle for us. Use the calculator to approximate the degree to one decimal place. Notice there's a little degree symbol, so we can be safe in our degrees here. We're rating into four decimal places to the given conditions here. So notice that we have to go between 180 and 270 degrees, okay? So where tangent is, right, so we have the tangent of theta is equal to 5/13. Now, we're taking the inverse tangent, but not really. It's like the inverse tangent with a wink and a nod. So I want inverse tangent of the tangent of theta is equal to the inverse tangent of 5/13. So theta, and I always do it this way to remind myself, like, oh, that's right, I'm looking for an angle. And this is the tangent of inverse tangent of 5/13. Okay, now we'll just go ahead and type that in. So we have second function, tangent, we want 5/13. I know I'm in degree mode already. And I will go ahead and enter that in. That's 21 point, they only want one decimal place. So this is 21.0 degrees. Okay, 21.0 degrees. Now, what are the conditions? The conditions say that we have to be between 180 and 270 degrees. So even though, right, we got, here's our 21 degrees, 21.0 degrees. What we really want is somewhere between 180 and 270. We want this. We want an angle here. So really, if we had 180 degrees here, plus this 21 degrees, that's going to give us this little angle, the angle in red here. Okay, that's what we really want. Okay, so it's always important when you're working these problems to remember, like, where am I? Which degree did they want? And this is the whole trick to this. Okay, this is the whole thing. So just make sure you know, like, where is that angle supposed to be? Okay, so we're going to take 180, okay, plus the 21.0 degrees. I think I can do this one in my head. So we have 201.0 degrees. So we'll go ahead and do that. If I really wanted to double check it, I would just go ahead and add where my calculator is. I would just add this to 180. Okay, and do that. And like, there are other ways to do that. 1.03. So 201 degrees. So that's what I'm going to type in, because they only wanted one decimal place, and this is going to be a 0.0. So we want a 201 degrees here. Is it between 180 degrees and 270 degrees? It sure is, because that's really what the trick of this is, to make sure it's between this. And we'll go ahead and check. Okay. And hooray, we got our little green check mark. We're ready to continue, and I'll quit while I'm ahead and let you guys just watch this one at a time. Okay, thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.